Hello, everyone. This is Keith Jackson, and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. In this video, we're going to study the exterior angle theorem, and that tells us that two remote interior angles of a triangle are equal to its exterior angle. So let's take a look at this example to help us understand what this theorem really means. All it's saying is this, is that 130 degrees right here, which is the exterior angle, is equal to the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle C. These two angles combined will equal to 130 degrees, and so we can write it like this. The measure of angle A plus the measure of angle C is equal to 130 degrees. And let's put this into effect with big example 1, in which we have this situation where the exterior angle, which is equal to 150 degrees, and we know is going to be equal to this 90 degrees plus this x degrees that we're trying to figure out. And all we have to do is this. We're just going to go 90 plus x is equal to 150. And what we're going to do after that, we're just simply going to subtract 90 from both sides. And when we do that, we will find that x is equal to 60 degrees right here. But then how about z? How can we figure out what z is? The good news is this, is that 150 degrees plus this will have to equal to 180 degrees because a straight line, as you see right here, is equal to 180 degrees. And so we're going to write it like this. 150 plus z is equal to 180 degrees. And when we subtract 150 from both sides, we will discover that z is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, so we have that solved. Now let's move on to big example 2 and find out what we can do right here. We have our exterior angle at 146 degrees, and we know that 146 degrees is equal to 39 plus x, and we're going to write that right here like that. So 39 plus x is equal to 146 degrees. And when we subtract 39 degrees from both sides, we will discover that x is equal to 107 degrees that you see right here. And now, how about z? How can we find out how many degrees z represents? Well, we know that 146 plus z equals a straight line, which means that it equals to 180 degrees. And let's write it like that. 146 plus z is going to give me 180 degrees. And so let me repeat that. 146 plus z will give me 180 degrees. And when we subtract 146 from both sides, we will discover that z is equal to 34 degrees. All right, you have been given a lot of information. I wouldn't blame you if you need to pause the video to take a look at the two big examples or replay this video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of this concept. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.